Apple stock sinks on lower iPhone 16 pre-orders. Apple stock slides on lethargic iPhone 16 pre-orders. iPhone 16 first weekend pre-orders estimated down 13% from iPhone 15. Hot analyst Kuo Ming Kai implies that Apple may need to cut prices in 2025. Kuo blames Chinese competition, late release of Apple Intelligence for reduced demand. Apple stock has moved lower on Monday after a Hong Kong-based analyst provided a sobering view of early iPhone 16 orders. AAPL stock has sold off about 3% at the time of writing. Much of the market is getting lined up for the Federal Reserve (Fed) announcement on interest rates on Wednesday. There is still some uncertainty on whether a 25 or 50 bits per second cut is in the cards. Before that, Tuesday sees the release of U.S. retail sales. The market expects a 0.2% MOM rise for August, but senior FXStreet analyst Yohay Elam thinks a surprising second leap would be good for the economy but bad for stocks. The larger Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJIA) universe, however, is doing quite well. The index of 30 stocks is up 0.3% at lunchtime in New York, while the NASDAQ has moved 1% lower and the S&P 500 is off 0.2%. This comes after the Dow improved late last week as well. Apple stock news. TF International securities analyst Kuo Ming Kai, a once obscure analyst from a lesser-known investment bank in Hong Kong, produced incisive insights in a new post on Medium over the weekend. Based on the analyst's estimates, Apple's newest iPhone seems less of a tailwind than initially expected. iPhone 16 series first weekend pre-order sales are estimated at about 37 million units, down about 12.7% YoY from last year's iPhone 15 series first weekend sales, wrote Kuo. The key factor is the lower than expected demand for the iPhone 16 Pro series. The analyst, who is viewed as possibly the best Apple analyst in the business globally, said that intense competition in China has blunted demand, as well as the Apple Intelligence AI platform not being released in tandem with the iPhone 16. If Apple Intelligence is rolled out in the fourth quarter but peak holiday promotions at the end of the year fail to spur iPhone 16 shipments, then Kuo believes that Apple will turn to aggressive strategies. Without saying such, this implies reduced prices that would hurt margins. The iPhone 16 began pre-orders on September 13th, while the full lineup will be released on September 20th. Apple stock forecast. Apple stock is in retreat after its August 29th range high, which happened to be a lower high. Therefore, it's natural that the market will look to notable support levels. The next one comes at $210 near the 100-day simple moving average (SMA). After that, the 200-day SMA comes near prior resistance turn support at $196.
Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.